This shit low key kind of. I don't know. I haven't been fucking with my sweaters lately. They all been like. I be breaking out in the winter time, so I be getting all these. They be fucking with it like that, but analysis for the day. A lot of draws lower. We are kinda to take out some highs up here, but we do have some higher time frame. You see, like this, we gotta change this to previous day low. This showing too. Like, what do we gotta change? Previous day low got swept here, so we do have an SMT at the bottom. Okay. SMT at the bottom pushing us higher, most likely. 4-hour gap is huge here. Huge 4-hour BPR there is nice. I'm targeting the BPR gap instead of that 4-hour huge gap. Breaker formation on the hourly on both, if I'm not mistaken. Yup, right here. It's gonna really be pushing us higher. I really do want to see us come down and touch this 1-hour inverse. It might create a wick lower for this 4-hour candle, maybe. Our respect and view up on all time frames, touch 4-hour. I want us to take out buy side here. Ugh, it's kind of difficult. Because overall, my ideal target is still this last week's new week opening gap, so we have to wait and see. I want to see how we react here. Because depending how we react here determines if we come up for this Asia and if we come up for this PPR gap here. It's only a 200-point move, fuck. Is it gonna dump today? There was a lot of news overnight about Powell. There's like an ongoing investigation. He got subpoenaed and whatnot. So like there's market dumped overnight because of that. I'm assuming it was because of that. So this is weird. Gotta be cautious because news is just gonna be flying in from everywhere right now. Just gonna wait. I'll go on multi-chart is showing me that we should be bullish in the 15-minute, but we are starting to break a little bit of structure to the downside. But again, we're respecting the view up, but I want to see us just touch this. See how we react there. What is it? We do have a lot of LR here on the 5, if you look. All of this has to get swept. Resistance liquidity on both, if I'm not mistaken. Yup. This 5-minute already got tagged here on both. SMTs, if I'm not mistaken now. What the fuck are these SMTs? SMT here, 10:05, and inversion, and midnight level. 5-minute algo showing bearish, a little bit bearish, but we're still in the bullish trend. I just want to see a nice sweep. I'm really gonna make a compilation one day. I ate Domino's last night. That shit got fucking twisted. Yeah, we're bouncing nice out of this midnight level. 5-minute gap. How do we seek lower is the question. It's looking like no. Say ATR this candle, 20-minute candle, 25-point candle right there. On the 5-minute, cool. Wait and see what happens. Market opens in about 10 seconds ish. Lizard level. Yeah, I kind of had a feeling that we were just going to continue the trend to Asia. This also could be a nice Judas swing. If we were to look at the 1 or 2 minute for us to continue lower, but 1 hour breaker formation is the ideal goal. Did it touch the standard dip level? Let's take a look. Yup, to the tick. Standard dip level to the tick. Has to take out Asia, of course. Minute down there. Asia SMT not gonna hold up for now though, at least. Shh. 4-hour BPR. I sure I want to see my entries. Yeah, the 15-minute on wealthy charts was loading up pretty nice. Both just took out Asia and we're in the BPR gap. Could see a nice shooter swing, but a lot of volume already. 4-hour BPR gap could just get tagged there. I want to see a nice reversal. Maybe a lot to ask for because we got SMTs at the lows with previous day. Could honestly just chop up for the day. You gotta remember it's a no news Monday as well, so. First 15 minutes are never anything crazy. I don't know, news Monday, first 15 minutes or not. You have to remember, that there's a Supreme Court hearing this week about tariffs, if I'm not mistaken. That was moved from last week to this week, Wednesday, so it's going to be a volatile week, very scrappy and messy week this today there's no news, and we're also markets responding to the news yesterday with Powell and whatnot. CPIs tomorrow. So, and we're right there to 26K. So I don't know how the market's gonna react. We might just disrespect every TA possible. All the technical analysis that we have may just be disrespected, and we may just shoot up to 26K on some real shit. Cause ES already hit ATH. I could potentially just see us just going. Then Thursday and Friday, we come pull back another 300 points. Cause this gap right here is my ideal draw, but we never came and fully filled this gap. And we have a lot of draws to the downside. So there's been no 1 minute pullbacks, nothing. We'll just wait and see. First 15 minutes, I'm completely hands off. I might just we just tagged the BPR, the CE of the BPR, so oh no, we haven't tagged it yet. We're going to tag it though. Yeah, we're probably gonna go for this high. Why don't I have this high marked? This is a huge candle, bro. Okay, cool. There's another gap up there too. I don't trust anything in here as well. Just saying, just because of this right here. Oh no, weird fucking range. Go on that really quick. Show these motherfuckers where market could potentially start to slow. Actually, no, I don't like how that looks. This looks way better. We just tagged the 0.7 level, instantly rejected. Let me see here. I mean, this is kind of textbook, honestly speaking, and fib levels will never do you wrong like this. Okay, ES still has more room to go high. Let's put this visibility on the hours. Same with this, on the hours. Okay, so let's go on the 15 minute. This is crazy 15-minute work, bro. This is insane. Does he streaming? I want to see if Does he streaming, because that is a beast of an executor, bro. Does he is a beast. Nah, Does he isn't streaming. That's a nice manipulation like there. Alright, let's see how the 15-minute is closing compared to here. There's the first presented 15-minute up here that we could potentially get to. That got hit already. Ugh. Yeah, we could potentially start seeing reversals from here, man. Or 5-minute continuations higher. Could really start seeing things here. I do think NQ is gonna start dragging this shit higher. Because ES is on full ATH mode. NQ is lagging, so. This is a huge gap, though. I want to see this gap fill here. Alright, first 15 minutes are done for the day already, so could start to see continuations or anything to the upside, realistically speaking. Back to highs. Just because we still have more space to go higher. There's like no gaps being left behind. I don't really see anything clean yet. 5-minute gap failed. 15-minute gap could be forming. On some real shit, there's 5-minute SMTs. Nah, not really. Chatting. SMT's at the lows though, on some real shit. It's right here. Yeah, because ES is still going. ES hit. Any other levels? No. This hourly gap here on ES could be a nice momentum killer for it. This is in the golden zone, I would like to say. A continuation on ES would be nice because, boom, within a 5-minute gap. See how the 4 hours closing. Yeah, 4 hour could come down bearish. We don't really have a wick down here, but this is like a nice CRT candle, full body range, whatever the fuck it is. Candle range theory, whatever the fuck that shit is. I don't see shit honestly right now. Like, nothing is really catching my eyes. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Yeah, you see, like that first presented 15-minute could really give us something. This SMT was clear, but there was like no 1-minute inversion. Let me see if there was like a 2-minute. It was this tiny one, but it was confirmed right there. Is there 2? Yes, this one really did confirm the 2 for continuation. I should have taken that to a previous day high. or to even here. Kinda want to see the reversals now here, but I kinda did saw that. That would have been a really cheap trade, realistically, if I would have taken it, because it would have been like somewhere execution around there. I would have done it there. Target in 15-minute and 1 hour CE right there. Would have been done with one candle. Oh well. Now I really do want to see a reversal from here. Down to an unfilled 15, 950 macro. We're on the first presented. And are we in the hourly BPR as well? Yeah, we are in a really strong level of confluence right now. 1 minute gap inverse. Or 2 minute. That 3 minute could be nice, but yeah, golden zone right now for us to really be finding some shit. Boom. Just going to 5-5. Nice breaker setup. Alright, so let's take out this. Leave Asia. Could be executing anywhere here now. But we still have those SMTs. Kind of want to see that SMT get broken. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing the 5 minute SMT still here. Which I don't want to see on some real shit. Like this, a fat SMT within a 5 minute gap. Yeah, previous day might be the draw. Some real shit. Telling you, we're in like ATH zone. Oh, did I chart ATH on this? Oh no, it's a fucking fit level. Yeah, no, we might actually be headed ATH. Okay, we have a nice... This is a nice breaker setup, honestly speaking. If we don't break this, if we just get a 5 minute pullback, don't use nothing. At 26K level. That draw is looking nice, bro, but like opening gap somewhere up there, but like realistically speaking, can't really see the gap, man. Can we get this 1 minute inverse? Give me a nice gap somewhere here, man. I can't short this. I really can't short this. Gotta wait for the 10 o'clock for us to retrace a little bit deeper. But I don't think I can short this. Holy decool. Yes is dragging, bro. Yes is going. Honestly, I can't blame him. I can't blame him. Yes, your ATH range. In 5 minutes about to close. Then we get another continuation model here. Oops. We get that inversion move. The 4 hour close. We're probably gonna get like a failed. Yeah, bro. So from like here to here. Okay, this fits first was in 15 minute, gotta get tagged. So all I know now. All I know now is that this first was in 15. Gotta get tagged. Get another SMT within a 5. There's no 1 minute inversions. Nothing, bro. kind of don't want to take a sissy trade, but I might have to. We're being held though. We're too high. We've moved up too much for me to really want to take this. 5-minute again here. It's empty at the lows and highs. No 1 minute, no 2 minute, nothing. 2 minutes looking nasty, 3 minute nasty. 3 minutes looking like a breaker formation with the inversion, which could be potentially nice. Because we are in a BPR, but no. Alright, the gap got tapped on both. I want to see like a 15-minute SMT. More displacement. Can't take that, bro. Can't just take that. Oh. This is a really complicated zone. I'm for 15 minutes still below. And I want to get tagged. On NQ only though. I want NQ to tag it only. I don't want ES to tag this shit. Because then we can have a boom 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 SMT. What ya say? What ya say? We just respect this too and just come down here. That 960 level could get tagged on some real shit. That 960 level is looking nice. SMT still in the 5. No No gap, bro. No gaps, no gaps, no gaps. There's like a 1 minute continuation gap, that's about it, but like nothing else. Ugh. 60 level looks nice, bro. All seriousness, we got a nice 60. Or even anywhere from here. Oh, back to this high. Now I am went crazy today. What the fuck? Still waiting for like a 5-minute pull. Deeper in this 15-minute, bro. It's holding us though. Oh my god. Nah, it's 5 minutes dump into the. Too many gaps. Emerging gap right here too, holding it. This is looking. Could take this cheap trade to the upside, but anywhere here, execute anywhere here. Stops here. Continuation higher. Fuck, bro. I can't do it though. Still have SMTs again, bottom. I can't take this trade though. 15-minute gap needs to get filled. Y'all are seeing my whole thought process right now. Thing is that we display so much right now. We went up like what, 200 points? Yeah, if we're going up 200 points, we need like a 100-point pullback somewhere in here to this 15-minute, and then go for the home run for 200 points again. But there's no pullbacks right now. Now we're starting to get this. What the fuck is going on here, bro? Are we inversing it? There's no gaps on here too, bro. We did this shit disrespected. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is a 3-drive pattern, bro. To that 960 zone. Playing a continuation. I'm still not taking this, bro. I need a deeper pullback. Or I'll play the mech model into the pullbacks, but like I can't take this. I need this 5-minute confirmation inversion here, because then we have SMT at the high with a 5-minute inversion. I take this on NQ, lead into the 15-minute gap, hits, money. But there's SMTs on here. I can't do that. And this SMT has to get disrespected. That eyes have relative equal lows, bro. Yeah, now this shit is going. Just pick the volume. 960 zone. We held. There's a lot of SMTs stacking up on the lows. I can't take this though. I needed to see a 15-minute pull. It might be a 10-50 macro. type of trade I did, but can't take that. My knee, bro. It's not really saying. Okay, so we tapped this 10 zone again, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we tapped the 0.7 again and we came down. Yeah, we gotta come down. We inverse this 5-minute here again, taking it to the 15-minute. So decoupled though. We can't inverse this. We're building up so much LR on the 1 minute. Keep going. Bro, like, the gap formations are just not there. And it's really pissing me off because I really need nice displacement to the upside for the gaps to be there for me to really take a 30-second or like a 1 minute inversion. Alright, there's one tiny gap there. Hopefully the fucking part codes don't fuck me up. Super tiny gap though. Fuck, you know. Holding the 5 minute while though, that's what's pissing me off. There's a Vib here. That's what it is. Vib on NQ. Is it waiting for EMAs and shit like that to catch up or something? Like, NQ gives me this inversion. actually want to take a stab. This looks like such a forced move, but SMT at the highs. It's going to that 960 level, I said it. I think that 960 will we just shred to that 15-minute gap. Got the resweep. Nice 5-minute gap that could potentially form right now. Fucking hell. Oh yeah, we came down, touched the Vib. Shot up. Cool. Taking no trade so far, by the way. And by the way, Sliggin, I don't really care. We just got an SMT. Do we get this 1 minute? Alright, we just resweep with the SMT. Where's the caps, bro? There's no caps for me to really. 2-minute gap. Awesome. Very tiny 2-minute though. Very cheap trade, honestly speaking. I'll take this all day. If I don't get this inversion, I'm not taking. This is just, again, respecting bullish order flow. And by the looks of it, I'm not getting this trade. Nope, no trade. No trade. We wait for the 15-minute if it ever gets hit. They're 5-minute unfilled. No, 5-minute unfilled. This is really strong. Bro, I might just go take a shit and see what the market presents me afterwards, bro, cause this shit looking like hot garbage. I don't even want to take this on some real shit, bro. If the inversion does even happen, we're too bullish, bro. But then again, it's like a 1, 2. We had the 1, 2, 3 drive. This could deliver us higher, bro. Oh no. The gap is invalid for me now. Okay. What are we seeing here? We respect the trend. Or what? Low-key want to front run this shit, but we're expecting so much order flow. We got these relative equal lows right here. still being held up by that 5 minute over there. I'm in these shorts, accepting the risk of these swing high. Stop to these relative equal lows. I'm targeting these relative equal lows right here. That's all I need, 40 points, nothing more. I'm accepting this risk. BE is going to be at 880 here at this low on the VIB. 885 or whatever the fuck that is. I'm accepting that risk. 885 is the BE. Embrace the 2 minute Mech model-ish. BE. Boom, perfect BE already. Break even on the straight, letting it ride to relative equal lows right here. Where did I get executed at 90 what? 904. 904 flat. Still BE, not taking any profits, low key. Just letting it ride on some real shit. To 887. Some real shit. I should really let this shit ride to the 15-minute gap, but no, I can't. NQ has these relative equal lows that haven't been swept. Actually, I'll take out 2 here, 2 here. Already break even, and 2 at the 15. 15-minute gap is what? 834. These lows on here. I'm already break even, I don't really care. Targeting this, all of this LR 15-minute gap is mine. I'm break even already, by the way. Risk free trade. Could care less if it reverses on me here. Maybe this is the pullback I needed for it to continue higher. No, I don't think so. I think we need to continue lower. Into a deeper pullback, but again, I don't control the markets. Alright, boom, got stopped out. Literally 0 P&O. Relative equal lows didn't even get tagged, bro. Didn't even get tagged. What? That's insane. Realistically speaking, this should have been the BE. Managed the position wrong, honestly. Yeah, because now I watch it play out, which is cool with me if it does play out. I may have managed the position wrong. But the 5-minute over here. Yeah, I managed the position wrong. Oh well, it's alright. Happens. Fuck. All good, all good. Still have some T's at the lows though. I should have been looking at the 2-minute chart because that's where I executed. 2-minute gave me the confirmation of a pullback before I went low. Now there's SMTs here. So again, wait for 15 minutes. Oh, this is pretty bad though. Yeah, they hitting, but they broke. And when it's time to pop, they no show. Real shit though. SMT within this 5 minute to go higher. Now that we have displacements, volume picked up. Had inversions. I can't trade this though. The loud got me moving slow mo. Alright, we inverse there. Did we inverse a 2 minute? Is there a 2 minute gap? Alright, we inverse this 2 minute. Continuation model. Fwah. It's wider stop, but fuck it. Because SMT's at the lows. Can't do that. Bro, I don't know what I'm witnessing right now. Cause on some real shit. $11:30, I'm done, bro. Not front running anything, bro. I like that move. The trade I was in, I liked it. Honestly, could still be in it right now. Be a super long fucking trade though. execute it here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 minutes, 11 minutes ish already. Yeah, the trade would have played out, honestly speaking. I would have held it and realized that this was the pullback maybe that I needed for it to continue lower to the 15. But don't really care. It's a no news Monday. Really not expected to make money today. I don't mind it. Honestly, should have been on evals today. I think every no news Monday moving forward is an eval day for me. Like, I just stack up on some evals or some shit. That way I don't really break my head about it. I am planning right now on getting Tradeify growth accounts, which is 1 day pass. Let me actually look into the rules right now. What do their growth accounts look like? Yeah, like you see, like it keeps bouncing up and down. This is pretty fucking shit on, in all honesty. More SMTs, like, bro, what? There we go, relative equal lows, guys. Yeah, 15-minute. Should have. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. $904 Alright, so from 904 to A67, that was 27 points. Would have been 108. That would have been like an $800 day. Yeah, we took out relative equal lows. Alright, here. Alright, let's see 5 minute again. 5 minutes still holding everything up right now. On some real shit. On some real shit, 5 minutes still holding everything up. Cause we could even get. Alright, I'm gonna wait and see what the fuck happens here. If we get some displacement. Starting to pick up on. Look, compare all this chop to these candle closures. This is. I'm not watching this shit right now. Fuck that. Over here staring at it like something's gonna happen. Nothing's about to happen. If anything, the clearest move right now. I had it. Would have still been in this shirt going lower to the 15. Now I just really want to wait for the 15-minute gap to align with VWAP and the 200 EMA. But if that doesn't happen within the next 15 minutes, then I'm out and I'm done for the day. Alright, this is rebound. So it cannot go. $52.1. So $52.1. essentially at like 52-1. If I have 5, that's be fine for keeping. Or I could be trading this to there. 700. I'll be perfect if I keep it above. Or even if I keep it above. Yeah. Like that. About fucking time to show motion. No, we're just shopping, bro. Kind of called it with the chop. This honestly was a move. There was like no 1 minute inversion. Oh, there was this really tiny one. But it really wouldn't have been confirmed till here. So, not much you could really do about it. Relative equal lows got taken out, then BE probably would have been hit. Yeah, break even would have been hit already. Right here, boom, break even here. This candle. Oh, would have ended the day 100 profit. 800-ish. It's whatever. Now market's gonna continue. I know ES is just gonna go. I'm kinda done with this shit, but like, what the fuck is going on, bro? Honestly speaking, lunchtime could deliver us lower. Lunchtime could definitely deliver us lower now. 11-11. Make a wish, make a wish. Could potentially see this. Yes, it's ATH, though. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. SMT's at the lows. Let's get rid of this shit. We got this 1 minute inversion. I'm taking it. So we're respecting this 1 minute gap here. Cheap trade, I'll take that. Boom, we got the resweep. 5 minute SMT, correct? Yes, yes. Tiny gap here. If you could even say, yep. I need it. I need that, need that, need that. Need that, need that. a lot of SMTs, man. Now this shit goes inverse, then we got a problem. I'm not front running that inversion. Because the 5 minute is dragging us. Not front running this. Oof. Could get an even better entry up here. Oh, there's a 5 minute gap now. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm saying. In the 5 minute right now. Take the 5. Okay. 5 minute. Both hit the 5. In a way. 11 delivers us lower. Inverse 1 minute BPR. Tagged it, 5 minute gap. Got tagged already. So it's just a matter of like continuation. Yes, might just go to ATH and Q got like relatively low lows here now. So it's just like plus it's the hourly open, hourly gap, nothing. Okay. We inverse this 5 minute or even this 1 minute. This 1 minute holds us. Oh my goodness gracious, man. $560 levels gonna hit, man. We already hit the wake down. 1 minute goes inverse here, I'm taking. Oh, such a slow burner, bro. These are relatively good lows, so I can't short against these relatively good lows. I mean, I can't go long against those relatively good lows. I want to see another pull back into this 5. Okay, this shit has relatively good lows too, bro. Fuck. This woman needs to get tagged, in my opinion. Then I'll take some shit. This shit already went inverse. I need a sweep. I need a sweep. I need that sweep skis. Oh, we got this 5-minute inversion leading into the 15-minute. 5-minute inverse here would be nice because this would be a very cheap trade. Yeah, this would be a nice cheap trade. Break even. This would honestly be a great trade if we were to get it. We're not gonna get that trade though. New 5 minutes opened. What's that really looking like? We're failing that. What's that really got? First of all, there's a 1 hour unfilled right here. Sean is CPTP. Slow burner. This is gonna keep going, bro. Whoa, this shit looking hot garbage, bro. This is looking like it's going to the 960s. ES is looking bullish. Yeah, ES is going to ATH. Yeah, really not much you could really do about this type of PA today. Really wasn't giving you any confirmations for anything that you really wanted. So I don't really. I mean, look at the 1 minute, bro. Happy I really disengaged. I'm planning on getting. I think I'm gonna just get the 5 growth accounts on Traderify. I just slowly grind them shits. Cause this one day, it's just a 1 day eval. So I might just get those. See how they treat me. And then, yeah, keep it pushing from there. I think I'm gonna just call it a day here, cause disgusting, absolutely disgusting. And I got a doctor's appointment in like an hour, so calling it a day here. Took only 1 trade. Yeah, I'm probably gonna journal that and call it a day.